Hello travellers, so today we're taking a look at the Daybreaker backpack, which is a 25-litre backpack from Able Carry. Now this is going to be more of a quick sort of hands-on, just to show you a couple of features of the bag and what it looks like, because I haven't had a chance to completely and fully test it out. But I would like to just show you some of the features and what I like about it. Also be sure to subscribe to my music-based channel, the link just in the top right hand corner here. Be sure to support me there as well because I have some interesting videos coming up there. So it actually comes in this nice sort of, what do you call that, Hessian sort of bag. So this is the bag itself. Looks nice, feels very nice, and I can feel right away that it has really nice padding on the back here. A nice sternum strap and adjustable positioning, which is good. Oh, and this is actually the X-Pack black pouch, and this is kind of like a pouch you can use for electronics or toiletries. So that's a nice X-Pack pouch, and it's super lightweight. But yeah, it's really nice. You get a nice little triangular kind of shape here. So that will be great for toiletries. I might use it even for electronics. So straight away, a couple of things about this bag I know a lot of people are going to like is the water bottle holder. So it holds my water bottle there, and it does have a Velcro strap here to expand the size of the bottle that it can hold. You notice down the bottom it's got some cutouts as well, so it's got some breathability. If it does leak, that will come straight through the bottom. Now this is a water resistant material, which I'll show you in a cutaway shot here. And it's also extremely lightweight, so it won't feel too heavy whilst empty, which is a good thing. You have a little strap holder here where you could put a carabiner or clip something, and that is on both sides. The top is a water resistant zipper. Has a nice carry handle on the top here and a nice carry handle on each side, which is really good. You have a very nice subtle logo there, which I'm a fan of. You have some points down here, 3 on each side, and I've put a carabiner here, the hero clip, link down below of course. And you have the 3 attachment points here, and then 2 small ones on the bottom. So you could thread through some nylon rope or whatever and attach like a sleeping bag or a foam pad or anything to the bottom section here. I've just got my hero clip there for an example. So this side panel here has a water resistant zipper and access into a sort of I would say like a stash pocket. I would use this to put my passport and stuff like that, but it does have a key clip here, so you could put your keys in there or wallet or whatever. That's really nice. And that's pretty much it for the features on the outside of the bag. It does have some really nice padding on these straps, and the back panel has some nice padding so you won't get irritated by what you're wearing in the back of your bag. This foam pad in the back is also removable, which I'll show you in a moment. It does have a sternum strap here as well, and that has 1, 2, 3 adjustment points. You also have a little area here where you could use to clip an extra carabiner. Now these are actually removable and adjustable, which have an interesting system where you thread it through like that to adjust them. So moving into the inside of the bag, it has again a nice waterproof zipper. Now unfortunately it is only that big. It doesn't go down to the whole way of the bag. I do wish they made a version which unzipped the whole front panel. So looking inside the bag, you have a mesh zippered pocket up the top here. And you could use that to store, you know, cables, whatever you want to put in there. Now down the inside of the bag, you have a divider here, which divides the front and back sections. You could probably put a laptop down here. There is no external laptop accessibility, which is a little bit of a shame, but it is nice to have that separation there. Again, you have another attachment point where you could put a carabiner or keys or whatever you want to put there. There's nothing else down further inside the bag, but it does have, again, like I said, a 25-litre capacity, which is quite nice. Now an interesting feature here is there's a zip on the top, and that gives you access to the foam padding here, so you can actually remove the foam back panel if you want to. And if you look a bit closer just down on the inside here, but there is a small hidden zippered pocket. And this is quite a small one, it only goes down that far. But you could put your wallet or passport or extra cash in there if you did want to keep it more secure. So it's quite well hidden. So that's pretty much it for this bag. I'm looking forward to test it out and get a bit more of an idea of how it works as a carry-on. The design is more of a kind of a hiking design with the top loading design. It's definitely very usable for urban travel, and I like the handles on the sides and these water resistant zippers. Again, I wish it did have a full zip design on this bag, but for what it is, it's a very nice backpack, and probably one of my favorite features about it is just how lightweight it is. So that's it, thanks very much for watching. Be sure to let me know down in the comments what you think about this backpack, and if you have any other backpacks you'd like me to check out or any other products to review, be sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.